Hello everyone, how are you doing? And I'm very excited today because I'm at this magnificent zoological park called Pairi Daiza in the south of Belgium. And I see so many different varieties of bird species, of animals, and the expanse of this park is huge. But it also makes me think the challenges that they might be facing in ensuring the proper upkeep of the park and its inhabitants, of course, and what role can IoT play in making sure we ensure their well-being. So let's try to go around this park and understand what can we do as IoT observers, and how we can make sure the animals, the birds, are well taken care of. So let's take a tour. So one of the things that IoT always talks about is safety and security of assets, right? And when we talk of animals or bird species, it's very important to monitor their health. It's very important to monitor their locations, to prevent poaching, to prevent that they move out from their usual areas of habitat. And all this is very important because we see so many species getting into the endangered category very slowly. And it's very important to monitor them, especially in this zoological environment. So on a day-to-day basis, it's important that you monitor their health to make sure any preventive Medicare can be well entertained, well maintained. And all this is because we don't want them to get into the category that you see now, right? That's a dinosaur, isn't it? So we don't want them to fall into a category that is extinct in the next few generations, and that our future generations can actually see them in real life, in reality, as we are seeing them today. Yeah? So it's very important for the zoological authorities to make sure the well-being of these species is well taken care of, and that's where IoT can play a very good part, because you, on one hand, you'll have the tagging and the IoT beacon technology that can be used to measure, to monitor their locations, and on the other hand, their critical parameters like heartbeat, their other health parameters can be very well monitored. Yeah? And finally, more in terms of the customer care and the attractiveness of the zoo towards the visitors who are visiting it, what if we could show in live feed the enclosures, what's happening really inside those enclosures, and how the animals actually live, or how the species really live. And this we see on our dedicated apps on the phones when we are going to pass by those enclosures. So the beacon technology in IoT can detect when you're going to pass through, and make sure you get the live feed, which can be very exciting, of course, and it definitely increases the attractiveness and the interest amongst visitors, both children and adults alike. And also implementing AR, augmented reality, to show the path that we are going to take towards our destination or towards our points of interest. For example, if you would like to see the enclosure of an elephant, but you don't know where it is, that's something that AR can help you with. So based on your current location, it can show you exactly where you have to go, and it will show you in real time the road straight in front of you. So considering all of these things and how the definitions of IoT can help bring about an increase in attractiveness and relevance of the zoological services, it's definitely a much needed area of study to see further how IoT can help maintain the balance here in the zoos, and how we can move more towards the health and security of all the species that reside here. Bye.